Welcome to Euromarc's QuickStock Analytics dashboard, designed to provide you with transparency over how the QuickStock system is working for your business. This is just a demo account, so there's not a lot of data in here. You can access the dashboard within your Euromarc online account. If you don't have an account, just get in touch with one of the friendly team and we'll get you set up and online. If your company has QuickStock in multiple locations, you'll notice tabs along the top here. The first tab will show you all of your QuickStock data accumulated, but if you want to drill down to specific locations, just click on the tab. Below you can monitor your dollars and time saved through your QuickStock over the last 12 months. This lets you see the tangible benefits of utilising the QuickStock system. Scrolling down, you can track your QuickStock spend month to month to quickly and easily check consumable use against production output. If you'd like to drill this down to specific product categories, you can untick the categories you don't want to see in the table like this. Below this is your monthly category spend, allowing you to quickly compare your consumable category expenditure against production output. Scrolling further down, you'll see your monthly product quantity usage. This gives you a deeper understanding of your consumable usage by product. You can compare your product usage month by month over the past 12 months, giving you the information to help optimize and streamline your operations where needed. It's also a quick and easy way to view what products are in your QuickStock cabinets. And last of all, for those of you that would like to download a copy of your dashboard analytics for printing or emailing, simply click the Generate PDF button at the top of the page. So that's our quick overview of the QuickStock Analytics dashboard. As always, if you've got any questions or you need us to set you up with account access, just get in touch. We're here to help.